If you want to connect your Realme GT 8 Pro with your PC by using the O+ Connect, then here's what you need to do. So first of all, of course, we need to open the settings, and then in settings, if we go to Device Connect and then choose PC, then of course we have the option to use O+ Connect. Now in this case, let me actually go through all these permissions. I actually need to enable permissions for location as well, apparently, so let's do so. Alright, so after that, we can see that we can use O+ Connect. Now, how to get the O+ Connect? It is quite simple. Our phone already has it. It is built within over here. And on our computer, of course, we need to download it. So you can open connect.oppo.com. This is essentially an Oppo app, but since Oppo and OnePlus and Realme are pretty much the same thing, more or less, of course, then you can use that app for your Realme GT 8 Pro. Over here you can download for your PC, depending if you have Windows or macOS, it doesn't really matter that much. So you can choose the proper platform over here. And of course, once you get the app, you want to install it on your computer. And once you install it, then this is how it looks like. Now in here we have the multi-screen connect, which we can of course use. And you can sign in to connect automatically, but it is actually recommended to sign into your account. So in this case, we want to choose Realme, of course, and you will have to use your Realme account. So if you don't have a Realme account, then first of all, you will have to set it up. Now in my case, I'm going to actually click on email over here in order to use the email address. In case you have to get the verification code from your email, remember to click on Get Code here on the right side in order to actually get the code on your email. Alright, we are signed into the account. Now let's go back to the phone, and in here we can choose to add new device, and you should actually be able to detect your computer in here. I managed to do so. Now on the other hand, on computer you can of course also find additional options to connect over here manually, but before I even did anything, the O+ Connect app actually synchronized both my devices in here. I didn't select anything, it was automatically connected. So I guess the app assumed that this is what I'm trying to do, which in this case is actually quite convenient. If needed, if you want to, for example, scan a QR code or something, then of course we can do so by using that icon, this QR code scanner icon in the upper right corner. And that is essentially it. Now in here we can of course access our files. As you can see, I have all my photos that I have in here, all files actually, not just photos. You can even see that I have my my audio files in here, images, videos, documents, and so on and so forth. I can even enable screencasting if I want to. It is available in here. We have content sync as well, so I can decide if I want some of these things to be synchronized with my computer. So definitely a very convenient app to use. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.